We'll guide you through how to enable Gmail desktop notifications so you never miss an important email again. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by entering mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it to open the Settings menu. In the menu that appears, click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, you'll want to navigate to the General tab, which is usually the first option. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Here, you will see two main options: New Mail Notifications On and Important Mail Notifications On. Choose New Mail Notifications On if you want to be notified for every email that arrives in your inbox, or select Important Mail Notifications On if you only want alerts for emails marked as important by Gmail. After selecting your preferred option, make sure to click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail if prompted, as this will allow Gmail to send notifications to your desktop. A browser pop-up may appear asking you to allow these notifications, so go ahead and click Allow. Finally, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes to apply your new settings. Now, whenever you receive an email that fits your chosen criteria, a notification will pop up on your desktop. This feature is super handy for staying on top of your emails without constantly checking your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.